In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate alert mode on MetaTrader5. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go and what to click so your platform can notify you automatically when price reaches important levels, even if you're not staring at the charts the whole time. Let's start inside MetaTrader5. Make sure your platform is open and you're logged into your trading account. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a panel that typically shows tabs like Trade, Exposure, History, and so on. This bottom section is called the Toolbox. If you don't see it, you can usually bring it up from the View menu at the top of the platform by enabling the Toolbox option. Once you can see that bottom panel, you're in the right place to set up alerts. Now, move your mouse down to the Toolbox area and right-click anywhere inside that panel. When you right-click, a context menu will appear. This menu gives you quick access to several tools related to trading and monitoring your positions. From this menu, look for the option labeled Trading. This is where MetaTrader groups together functions related to placing orders, managing positions, and importantly for us, setting alerts. Go ahead and click on Trading. This tells the platform that you want to work with trading related features rather than just viewing information. After clicking Trading, another set of options will appear, and among them you should see one labeled Alert. This is the feature that lets you activate alert mode. Click on Alert. Once you do this, MetaTrader5 will allow you to create and manage alerts that are tied to specific instruments and price levels. At this point, you can usually double-click in the alerts area or right-click again to add a new alert, then customize it with the symbol, the target price, and the type of notification you prefer, such as a sound or a pop-up. While the exact customization options can vary slightly depending on your setup, the key idea is that activating alert mode through the toolbox, then trading, then alert, is the foundation that makes all of this possible. So that's it. Open the toolbox, right-click, choose trading, and then select alert to activate alert mode in MetaTrader 5. Once you're comfortable with these clicks, you'll be able